we're here in Chicago. As you can see on our t-shirt, this year we are going digital.
It's super easy to enter stuff onto the website. Not a lot of hoops to jump through. Makes our workflow a lot easier.
As a dental technician, just as everything's transitioning, I'm removable, so everything's going digital. So imagine offering these tools and these classes is exactly what I need.
The course was absolutely amazing. Andy was an exceptional trainer.
Answered all of our questions, made it very digestible, so 100% recommended.
I just want to give a huge shout out to Imagine. I look forward to see what you guys have next year.